There is a tremendous need to rethink how we teach chemistry in today's classroom. These are the kinds of things we kept hearing every time we talked to high school chemistry teachers.
The last PD training I went to gave us excellent examples of phenomena. For biology, they didn't mention chemistry once.
I spend hours and hours of my personal time every week rewriting old chemistry labs to make them more open ended. My chemistry textbooks sit unused on a bookcase in the back of the classroom, and we want to change that.
You want your students to experience chemistry. So how does experience chemistry work? You start each storyline with an anchoring phenomenon. This is your big picture topic, and it will tie upcoming content together and generate the multiple student questions that drive the lessons forward.
If you're studying chemical reactions, ask your class, how do we design chemicals to keep food from spoiling? That's a lot more interesting than just talking about how chemical reactions are processes by which one or more substances are changed into a new substance. Now, when they study chemical quantities, stoichiometry, and thermochemistry, they can relate these principles to the foods that they eat. This will transform your classroom from a rote memorization of hundreds of years old details to a living, relevant laboratory of discovery.
But how do your students answer these questions? That's the heart of the program, the experience phase.
Experience chemistry consists of a series of hands-on and digital student experiences where students do the chemistry and not just learn about it. Take our lab. We partnered with Flynn Scientific, the leading chemical supplier to science educators across the country. Every learning experience includes a Flynn lab, but not just one. They've developed 4 versions of every single lab so you don't have to modify them yourself. Each lab has an open-ended, a guided, a shortened, and advanced version. Think about how much time that will save. Other ways that students experience chemistry through our partnership with Flynn Scientific are videos and virtual reality simulations. We are really excited to work with them, and you will be too.
Of course, labs aren't the only student experience in our program. We have problem-based learning projects, authentic reading, engineering tasks, virtual labs, and more to make sure every student has an authentic learning experience in your classroom.
Experience Chemistry is a brand new program designed to excite your students as they investigate real-world chemistry and do the full range of practices of science. It is not just an old book with a new cover. It's the science of doing.